In the 60s, you had a film called Main Chup Rahungi, which means I will remain silent, considered a good virtue for women. That has changed over the years. And so you have Zakhmi Aurat, which is wounded woman, and I want justice, and I am so and so. The trouble is that in no way does it really define the complexity of what it means to be a woman. So I'm very fond of saying that first we had Rambos and now we have Rambolinas. But we really don't have women in all her complexity. But over the years there's been a change. I think what we really need to do in terms of focusing on positive images of women is to show many more working women. Working women in Hindi cinema are completely invisible. Whereas the fact is that whether in rural India or in urban India, women are working. And I think we need to start working towards that. There are a lot many women now behind the scenes, because earlier they were only acting and nothing more. Now you have writers, you have directors, you have a lot of women, particularly in the television industry. But what comes as a very big surprise to me is that the fact that there are so many more women, and especially young women, hasn't led to a change of the stereotype as women that we are seeing particularly on television. That I find worrying, because I think that should, and that's why I think that, women need to be informed by the women's agenda. And unless that happens, this change is not going to happen automatically.